Hiya, it's me again. This footage is actually getting on 2 years old at this point, but this trip was too good not to do something with for this new channel. I was quite new to the videography thing, I still kinda am, but I hope this video as always will allow you to experience this lovely part of the world through my eyes, and maybe serve as a skeleton to build your own excursions onto. Please enjoy. So update, I've made it through the security and now I'm in this extra place here. Shout out to the brand of Harrods at Heathrow Airport. Now have a look at this damage. This is before we've even left the country. I've got about an hour and a half until the actual gate is shown on the board there. Alright, so the gate is just opened, it's 42. Also, it's worth noting that it is indeed Friday the 13th today, which is always the best day to fly. The boarding process was seamless. I quickly found my seat and several hours after takeoff I was able to do some sightseeing before even stepping foot in the US.
On behalf of American Airlines and our One World partners, I would like to welcome you to Seattle.
I retrieved my suitcase and took the shuttle bus to the car rental depot. Alright, so here I am in my little mobile home for the next however many days. Man really did say, here's your car, here's your keys, clear off. That was the most instruction he gave me, but I know how to drive, we'll be fine. Alright, have a look at this, fellas. It is dark, it is raining, it is busy, wonderful. Oh my God. The 3-hour drive to my accommodation went pretty well considering I had to catch rainwater to splash into my face to stay awake while driving. At around 10 PM, I arrived at where I'll be staying for the duration of the trip at Kalaloch Lodge. So let me just lock this. Oh. Nice and conspicuous. I think she said, what, 409? Yeah. This is a lovely little building. Look at this. Look how cozy that is. You seeing that? 409, that's me. Is it contactless? Oh, it smells nice. It smells all like wood. Alright, moment of truth. Oh, look at the size of that mirror, bro. Hey, it's me. And he got some bags under them eyes. What's that? Oh, it's a hairdryer. That's good. I'm needing that. There are some sticks. Oh, look at the little walker. Oh, well, I've got to take it home, haven't I? Oh, what a sweetie. Not much of a view out here at the minute. Microwave, fridge. What's this? Oh, the little coffee. Maybe I'll try it. I might try the coffee. Whoa, I've never even noticed this chair. Look at that chair, man. Oh, that's comfy. Look at the arms. Do you reckon that's... Yeah, that's got to be real wood, man. It's nice. And this chair as well at the desk. Bro, this room is beautiful. 2 beds, one for me, one for me suitcase. The Pacific Ocean is in that direction. I can hear the sort of surf. What I could do, try and do like a cool little transition and go... Hey, yo, that surf is pretty brutal. There's a sign up on the door saying like, you know, the logs will kill you. Yeah, let's get a closer look, eh? Weather's not amazing, but at least it's bright now and I can see sort of around. Hey, look at these logs that I'm walking down beside of. The size of them. I guess it's trees that have fallen over in the woods and then floated down that little stream into the sea and just got tumbled around and then washed back up on the beach. All right then, on the beach. That over there is the Pacific Ocean. When you look on the map, you go, oh, you can get to the other side there. It's just like a little stream thing that you got across, but that's a bit more than just a little stream. Even though it's shallowest there, it looks like it'll still get up to your knees. Oh, dearie me, look, it's coming right for me. Hang on, let's give the Pacific Ocean a bit of a touch. Oh, it's got my poncho wet. They are Pacific Ocean foam. Very nice. All right, looks like we've got an intrepid water course to navigate. I do hope that's just rainwater. Oh, dearie me. Look at the size of this piece of driftwood. Look at that. Look how long it is. Must have been like a redwood or something. Oh, look, there's a bird on it. You alright, my guy? Where are you going? Prefers that one. Wow, it's perched right there for a photo. Go on in. Wow, what a cutie. All right, there's something interesting sounding in that tree up there. See if I can get a picture of it. Yeah. It's in there. I can't tell what that is though. Oh, it's big. I'm thinking maybe it always hit a bald eagle. Look, mine's the only car left in the car park. Everyone else is going off and making the most of their holiday, and I think I'll join them. I didn't stick around to try and get a better picture because by the time I'd slept off the jet lag and had a look around, it had already gone noon and I was eager to explore. Currently driving through the Hoh Rainforest. That's H-O-H, just to be clear. Just had to pull over quickly, take a video of some of these trees. They're just like dripping in moss, right? That's incredible. Right next door to the visitor centre, the Hall of Mosses Trail winds just under a mile through verdant, lush woodland, giving visitors beautifully framed, almost curated views of the trees laden with club moss, which thrives in this temperate rainforest. You could bottle the air in these woods and take it home with you. The thick moss and dense foliage make this forest a bastion of silence. The only sounds originating from its denizens and those visiting them. Oh, there he goes, he's up the tree. Just stopped in a town called Forks for some fuel. Thankfully, it does seem that this car is petrol and not diesel, because that was the only option. They only had petrol there, and I couldn't find wherever this was. That would have been something that I probably should have asked the guy when I got it, what fuel does it take? But it's weird, they've got the pumps, and they all dispense from the same nozzle, but you press a button for whatever fuel you want. After my excitement for pumping fuel tapered off and the remnants of jet lag crept in, I decided to head home, stopping to have a look at the Tree of Life on the beach just north of the lodge. Weird, It's like you go, oh, what's that tree of life on the Google, and you click it and you see the picture and you go, oh, that's weird. And then physically you come here and go, oh, there it is. That is cool. It's like the ground's opened up and it's fallen and it's gone, oh, and caught itself on its roots. Cool. With 2 points of interest ticked off my itinerary, I called it a day there. The next morning I was out before the sun rose.